You got cuddles for Dad? Oh, that's lovely. That's a nice girl. Molly, you got cuddles? Ah.
Yeah.
Ah. Cuddles? More cuddles?
Cuddles? Cuddles for Daddy?
Oh, what a nice girl. You got cuddles?
Hello.
More cuddles?
More cuddles for me?
I particularly like the way you turn to the camera for it, Molly. Are you tired? Any more cuddles in there? No, no cuddles left. Oh yes, you got some left. Oh, that's nice.